Hello, hi, Assalamualaikum, and very good morning, girls. Okay, today we are going to continue our discussion on the 8.1 classification system and naming of organisms. Okay, so please look at the learning standards that we are going to cover for today. We are going to continue our discussion on the third, 4, and 5 learning standard. Describe the main features of organism in each kingdom. Okay, we are going to describe the features of the Plantae and Animalia. And then number 4, describe the naming of organisms according to the binomial nomenclature system. And the number 5, construct dichotomous keys to classify organism. Okay, so today we are going to continue our discussion on the features of the kingdom of Plantae and Animalia. Okay, in the last in the last video, we already discussed about the kingdom, the four kingdoms, the four kingdoms, which are referred to the eubacteria, referred to the archaebacteria, protista, and also fungi. Okay, so for today, we are going to continue with the main features of the Plantae kingdom. Okay, so Plantae is eukaryote organisms. Yeah, eukaryote refer to the organism. The cell of the organism has nuclear membrane. Yeah, and then includes all the multicellular plants. Yeah, all plants. Yeah, all multicellular plants are Plantae. Can synthesize own food via photosynthesis or they are photoautotroph because they have chlorophyll photoautotroph refer to the plant that produce their own food by using sunlight. Can undergo sexual or asexual reproduction. Example, seedless plants, which is fern, seedless plant, and plants with seed are all flowering plants, all flowering plants are Plantae. Okay, next we go to the Animalia, the last 6 kingdoms, in last 6 kingdoms, which is Animalia. Okay, so Animalia is an eukaryote organism. It is an eukaryote organism, and then involves all multicellular animals. They are heterotroph. Heterotroph. Why heterotroph? Because they eat other organisms to obtain energy and also nutrient. Most animals can move. Okay, most animals reproduce sexually. Examples invertebrate, which is starfish, and vertebrate elephant, cow, and so on. Right? Okay, so that is referred to the Animalia. Okay, so please remember the 6 kingdoms. The 6 kingdom in the classification of organism. So all organism in the world can be categorized into 6 kingdom. Okay, I repeat. First is Archaebacteria. Second is Eubacteria. Third is Protista. Number 4 is fungi. And number 5 is Plantae. And number 6 is Animalia. Okay. Now we go to the taxonomy hierarchy. Here, what is a taxonomy hierarchy? Taxonomy hierarchy refers to the process of arranging of the various organisms into the levels, into the certain levels, by increasing order or decreasing order. Okay, so the hierarchy system used in taxonomy is the Linus hierarchy system. Linus hierarchy system. Okay, classifies organism according to hierarchy. Hierarchy refer to the order, susunan, starting from species to domain. Alright. Okay, the orders of the hierarchy are domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. Okay, so please memorize the orders of the hierarchy. Please memorize the orders of the hierarchy in the taxonomy hierarchy. So it's starting from the domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. Right? Okay, we go to the domain. Okay, yeah, so the first order in the hierarchy. So the highest taxonomy rank of the organism in the hierarchy. Yeah, the highest taxonomy rank. Yes, uh, susunan yang paling tinggi. Yeah, yang paling tinggi dalam hierarchy. And then below the domain is kingdom. Yeah, kingdom is divided into smaller groups called phylum. Yeah, called phylum. So organisms in the same phylum have mutual characteristics. Mempunyai ciri-ciri yang sama. Organism in a particular phylum are different from organisms from different phylum. Okay. After that, class. Yeah, okay. So phylum is further divided into class. Yeah, further divided into class, and then class is divided into order. Yeah, and then order is divided into family, and then a family is divided into the genus, and then genus is divided into species. Okay, that is referred to the hierarchy order. Yeah, in the taxonomy hierarchy. Yeah, hierarchy order in the taxonomy hierarchy. So you should memorize, starting from the highest rank is a domain. Yeah, domain, and then after that kingdom, and then below then that is phylum, and then after that is below the phylum is class, and then below the class, yeah, class divided into order, and then the order divided into family, family divided into the genus, and genus is divided into species. Okay, so a species is the smallest group used to classify organism. Yeah, species is the smallest group used to classify organism. Organisms in the same species are capable of interbreeding among themselves to produce viable, fertile offspring. So, organisms in the same species are able to reproduce among themselves, right? Okay, so these are examples of the taxonomy hierarchy. Yeah, taxonomy hierarchy is starting from the highest rank here, which is a domain. So, this one refer to the Eukarya domain. Yeah, the name of the domain here is Eukarya. Okay, so given there are animals here, which is Eukarya. Yeah, okay, domain. And then after that, domain is divided or categorized into the kingdom. Yeah, which is all of them are animalia. Yeah, okay, and then for plant is referred to the plantae. And then after that, kingdom is divided into the phylum. Phylum of the animalia, this is the phylum of the chordata. Yeah, phylum of the chordata. And then the phylum is divided into class. So this is the class, this is mammalia class. Yeah, mammalia class. And then the class is divided into order, which is carnivora. So they are carnivores. Yeah, and then the order is divided into family, which is Orchidae. Yeah, Orchidae. And then the family is divided into genus, which is Ursus. Yeah, Ursus. And then after the genus, they are divided into the species, which is specific to the Ursus arctos. Yeah, refer to the species name of this bear. Right? Okay, so you have to remember, yeah, the taxonomy hierarchy. Okay, next we go to the binomial nomenclature system. The formal system of naming organism practiced today is called the Linus binomial system. Linus binomial system refers to the naming system. Yeah, naming system of the organism. Okay, how do you write the scientific name of an organism? So each scientific name consists of two words. Okay, so every scientific name of the organism must have two words. The first word is the name of the genus, and the second word is the name of the species. Okay, genus first and then followed by the species. The first letter of the genus is capitalized, while the name of the species is not. All scientific name must be printed in italics. Okay, if handwritten, the two names must be underlined separately. So these are examples of the how to name the scientific by using the Linus binomial system. Okay, so the common name is common kingfisher. The genus name is Alcedo. Yeah, the species name is Attis. So the scientific name, if in handwritten, yeah, in handwritten, you have to write with your handwriting and then you have to underline. Okay, if printed or typed, it must be in italic. Yeah, it must be in italic. Okay. So this one are also examples, yeah, examples of the scientific name of the organisms here. Okay, you have to take a look on this, yeah. Okay, the scientific name given to all organisms is accepted and used worldwide. Yeah. Each given name usually provides an idea of the organism trait, yeah, the state of their habitat, the country of origin, or to other the researchers that has studied them. Yeah. For example, in the scientific name for the pea plant, the name of the scientific name of the pea plant is Pisum sativum L. Yeah, the L refer to the Linus, the first person who named the plant. Okay, next we go to the dichotomous key. Okay, dichotomous key is a tool used by taxonomists to identify organisms. Yeah, to identify organisms based on similarities and also differences. Okay, one of the ways to build the dichotomous key is by using a series of couplets. Yeah, each couplet is made up of two statements about the organism's trait or its grouping. Okay. So a dichotomous key is specific to an identification process. Okay, when identifying other organism, a different set of dichotomous key is used. Okay, the trait chosen must be based on obvious and observable features. Yeah, okay, we have to choose the features which is obvious and observable. And then overlapping trait must be avoided. So these are examples of the dichotomous key. So you are given in the textbook. Okay, you may take a look on the textbook. Yeah, you are given a few organisms here, and then you have to construct your dichotomous key. Okay, example here. Yeah, dichotomous key here. The first characteristics usually we choose the most general characteristics. Yeah, so in 1A and 1B, they are divided into animals and plants. Okay, and then for the second characteristic, has leg and does not has legs. And the third one, the third characteristics, yeah, three pairs of leg, more than three pairs of leg. And then number four, characteristic has wing and does not has wings. And then number five has shell and does not have shell. Six has seeds and does not have seed. And number seven, flowering plant and non-flowering plant. Okay, so you may take a look on the dichotomous key. For example, I go to the 1A animals. Okay, if the diagram given to you the animal, okay, you have to go to the dichotomous key here. Animal, go to 2. Okay, and then you should go to the 2 and then you have to choose whether it has leg or does not has leg. It has leg. If it has leg, you will go to the 3. It goes to 3 and then you have to identify how many pairs of leg. Yeah, if 3 pairs of leg, you have to go to 4. And then you have to go to 4 and then you have to identify is it has wing or not. Yeah, if it has wing, it is a butterfly. Okay, so that is referred to the some tips. Yeah, some tips of the to construct the dichotomous key. Okay, so this is the another way to produce a dichotomous key by using a spider. Yeah, okay, so please take a look and please try to understand this dichotomous key. Yeah, so organisms divided into two. Yeah, into one characteristic which is a most obvious character, which is animal and plant. And then they also divided into specific characteristics and then you will get the name of the organism. Okay, so that's all from now. Try to understand the dichotomous